computer. Good. Sekarang sekali lagi, Seramat akan tanyakan ini ke Yeslin. Coba Dedi ditunjukkan lagi tadi watch-nya. Show me your watch. Ditunjukkan ke kamera. Dedi. Dedi mana Dedi? Oke, thank you Dedi. Ya sudah. Yeslin. What is Dedi holding, Yeslin?
He is holding a watch.
Yeslin, tanyakan ke Yeni.
What is Daddy holding, Yeni?
He is holding a watch.
Yeni, tanyakan ke Paula.
What is Daddy holding, Paula?
He is holding a watch.
Paula, tanyakan ke Victoria.
What is Daddy holding, Victoria?
He is holding a watch.
Victoria, tanyakan ke Devrit.
What is Daddy holding, Jeffrey?
He is holding a watch.
Devrit, tanyakan ke Thomas Benu.
What is Daddy holding, Thomas?
He is holding a watch.
Jadi coba tanyakan ke Senilius. Siapa tadi? Thomas Benu ya? Thomas, tanyakan ke Senilius.
What is Daddy holding? He is holding a watch.
Senilius, tanyakan ke Oni Mas Benu.
What is Daddy holding? Oni Mas Benu.
Dihidupkan dulu kameranya. Apa? Mikrofonnya, sorry.
He is holding a watch.
Oni, tanyakan ke Geraldo.
What is Daddy holding, Geraldo?
He is holding a watch.
Geraldo, tanyakan ke Intanasari.
What is Daddy holding, Intanasari?
He's holding a watch.
Intansari, tanyakan ke Maria Angela.
What is Daddy holding, Maria?
He is holding a watch.
Maria, tanyakan ke Selviana Kelly.
What is Daddy holding, siapa?
Selviana.
Selviana.
He is holding a watch.
Selviana, tanya ke Agung Jesua.
What is Daddy holding Agung Joshua?
He is holding a watch.
Agung, tanyakan ke Trivena.
What is Daddy holding, Trivena?
Watch.
Ya, diulangi lagi Trivena, jawabannya gimana?
He is holding a watch.
Oke, good. Thank you very much. Seperti itu ya. Alright, sekarang kembali lagi ke Dedi. Halo Dedi. Ya, Dedi.
Ya,
Tunjukin lagi dong jamnya. Jamnya bagus tadi. Berapa itu? 100.000 boleh? 100.000 ya. 100.000 langsung saya transfer. Enggak. Oke, kalau saya tanya punya siapa itu Dedi? Jam siapa itu Dedi? Itu jawabannya pertanyaannya bagaimana bahasa Inggrisnya? Jam siapa itu Dedi? Jam tangan siapa itu? Bahasa Inggrisnya bagaimana?
This is my.
Ya, jawabannya bahasa Inggrisnya adalah whose watch is that? Ya, whose watch is that? Oke, Dedi, kalau Seramat tanya whose watch is that? Punya siapa jam tangan itu? Jawabannya bagaimana, Dedi? Dedi jawabnya bagaimana? Dedi ini nama lengkapnya Sugar Daddy ya. Whose watch is that? Jam tangan siapa itu, Dedi? Jawabnya gimana? Kamu akan jawab bagaimana?
Tahu.
Sama kayak yang tadi ya? Apa? Gimana? Jawabannya?
That daddy what?
This is mine, ya boleh. Jadi jawabannya seperti itu ya. This is mine atau this watch is mine, boleh. Ya. Atau this is my watch, boleh ya. Atau it's mine, gitu ya. Ini punya saya. Jadi cara menjawabnya ada 4 seperti ini, ya. Jadi nanti Dedi akan ditanya oleh beberapa orang. Ya. Coba show me your watch once again. Ditunjukkan lagi. Show me your watch once again. Okay, whose watch is that, Dedi? Whose watch is that, Dedi?
It's mine.
It's mine. Okay. Trivena tanya ke Dedi.
Whose watch is that, Daddy?
Man.
Jawabannya yang lain dong, pakai ekspresi yang lain.
This is mine.
This is mine. Oke. Victoria tanya ke Dedi.
That daddy.
Whose watch is that, Dedi?
This is my watch.
This is my watch. Oke. David tanya ke Dedi.
Whose watch is that, Daddy?
This watch is the man.
Ya, this watch is mine. Oke, very good. Thank you, Dedi. Nah, sekarang kalau seumpama yang saya tanya David,
Yes.
whose watch is that, David? Nah, David jawabnya bagaimana?
This watch is Daddy.
Ya, that boleh ya, seperti itu. That watch is Daddy's. Ya, that watch is Daddy's. Ya, kenapa kita pakai that? Karena kan itu jauh ya. Bukan kamu yang pegang, kan Daddy. Jadi kalau Daddy dia bilangnya ini, tapi kalau orang yang jauh bilangnya itu, that ya. That watch is Daddy's, atau boleh juga that Daddy's watch. Oke. That's Daddy's watch, atau that is Daddy's watch. Jadi that's itu singkatan dari Daddy's. That is ya. That is Daddy's watch. Oke. Atau boleh juga gini, that's Daddy's, ya. That's Daddy's. Jadi ini pilihan cara menjawabnya. Kalau ditanya, yang ditanya bukan Daddy ya, tapi orang lain. Ya. Coba David, sekali lagi saya tanya, whose watch is that, David?
That's Daddy watch.
Daddy's ada S-nya ya. That's Daddy's watch.
Yes, sir.
Ulangi lagi.
Yes, sir.
Whose watch is that, David?
That's Daddy's watch.
Oke. David tanya ke Onimas Benu.
Whose watch is that, me?
That's Daddy's watch.
That's Daddy's watch. Oni tanyakan ke Yeni.
That what, Daddy?
Ini nih loh. Whose watch is that?
Whose what is that? Jenny?
Mhm. That's Daddy's watch. Ya, oke. Ini dari mana ya? Where is the voice coming from?
Ya nih Pak.
Oke. Ya, Yeni coba tanyakan ke Paula.
Whose watch is that, Paula?
Mhm.
That is Daddy's watch.
Daddy's watch. Oke. Paula silakan tanya ke Geraldo.
Whose watch is that, Geraldo?
That's Daddy's watch.
Ya, ada S-nya. That's Daddy's watch.
What about that?
That's Daddy's watch.
Oke. Geraldo tanya ke Agung Jeswa.
Whose watch? Agung.
Hmm?
That's Daddy's watch.
Agung tanyakan ke Thomas Benu.
Whose watch is that, Thomas?
That's Daddy's watch.
Thomas tanya ke Yeslin.
Whose watch is that, Yeslin?
That watch is Daddy's.
Yeslin tanya ke Trivena.
Whose watch is that, Trivena?
That is Daddy watch.
Daddy's watch.
Watch. Daddy watch.
Daddy bukan Daddy watch, Daddy's watch ada S-nya kan? That is Daddy's watch. Ulangi lagi Trivena.
That is Daddy's watch.
Oke. Trivena tanyakan ke Oni Mas Benu.
Whose watch is that, Oni Mas Benu?
That watch is Daddy's.
Oke, Oni silakan tanya ke Maria Angela.
Whose watch is that, Angela?
That is Daddy watch.
Daddy's watch. That is Daddy's watch. Ulangi Maria.
That is Daddy's watch.
Oke, Maria silakan tanya ke Selviana Kelly.
Whose watch is that, Selviana Kelly? Whose watch is that, Selviana Kelly?
That
Ya.
what is Daddy's?
Ya, Selviana tanyakan ke Senilius.
Whose watch is that, Daddy's?
Hmm. Di unmute dulu itu, masih termute itu.
That's Daddy watch.
Daddy's watch. That's Daddy's watch. Oke. Silviana coba tanya ke Intanasari. Sorry, Senilius tanya ke Intanasari.
Whose watch?
Whose watch?
Whose watch is that, Intansari?
Intanasari mana? Sinyal ya.
Intansari mungkin.
Oh, keluar dari Zoom ya, tidak ada ya di Zoom ya. Oke. Ya, coba tanya ini ke Sir Rahmat saja, Senilius, tanyakan ke saya.
Oke, Mi. Whose watch is that, Mr. Rahmat?
That's Daddy's watch. Oke, good. Thank you very much. Nah, sekarang kita akan berlatih seperti ini. Jadi menunjukkan item, terus kita tanya apa yang kamu pegang, punya siapa itu. Jadi kita terbiasa untuk menanyakan itu. Ekspresi ini akan bermanfaat sekali ya. Kalau kita berlatih, karena kan ini bukan bahasa asli kita. Jadi untuk mengucapkan whose saja kalian kan kadang-kadang salah. Whose itu kan. Jadi ini perlu diulang-ulang. Oke. Alright. Ini sebentar ya. Saya stop sharing. Saya stop recording dulu. I think that's enough.